Good morning. Today we'll start new chapter in class 6 from R.D. Sharma Mathematics, which is chapter number 3, whole number. Now first topic here is natural number. Now natural number include which number include in natural number? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. They are called the natural number. And in whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? In natural number 0 is not included, right? And in whole number 0 is there. So now we'll start our topic, which is successor and predecessor. Now successor means after number. What will come after, what will come before, right? Now yes, successor means after and predecessor means before. Now if we had given here 16, so in we have to find successor of 16. So 16 we have to plus 1 here, so answer will be 17. The same number is for predecessor. So 16, here we have to find the before number. So 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Here some notes are there. The first one, every whole number has its successor. Every whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Every whole number has its successor. Now if I have to give example, number is 0, we have to find the successor of 0. So we have to plus 1, so answer is 1. Okay, so every whole number has its successor. Now see the second point, the whole number 0 does not have any predecessor. Now whole number 0 does not have predecessor, because predecessor means we have to minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and minus 1 is not in the whole number. So 0 does not have the predecessor. So that every whole number other than 0 has its predecessor. Now the third one, the smallest natural number is 1. Natural number smallest is, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. So number should be, smallest natural number is 1, that we know. The smallest whole number is 0, that also we know, that whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So smallest whole number is 0. Another point is that there is no greater or largest whole number and natural number. There is no greatest or the largest whole number or a natural number, because we 1, 2, 3, 4 and so countless number is there. So we can't say that that is a greatest whole number or a natural number, right? Our next topic is representation of whole number on number line. We have to represent number on number line, such as, for example, if we take 0, okay, so how we have to draw number line? First we will draw the line, right? After that, first we will take 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we have to keep 0 over here. So 0 is here, round it up. Only we have to represent 0 on number line. If we will take 5, for example, another number is 5. So here it is 5. So point the number here 5. Okay. Now we will start exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Write down the smallest natural number. Now we had seen in notes that the smallest natural number is 1. Right? Another one. Second question. Write down the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number is 0. Write down, if possible, the largest natural number is it is possible that largest number is there? No. Then does not exist. You can write does not exist also. Now fourth one, write down if possible the largest whole number. Same answer, no, does not exist. Another question is that, now question number 5th. Are all natural numbers also whole number? Yes. Natural number is also a whole number. Are all natural number also whole number? Yes. Why? Because natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on, and whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So every natural number including whole number, so they are called they are called that all natural number also a whole number. Now, are all whole number also natural number? No. Why? Whole number includes 0 over here, and here in natural number 0 is not there. See the question number 7. Give successor of each of the following whole number. Now successor means we have to plus 1 over here. Okay. Now question number 7. First one. Question is 1000909 is their question, and successor we have to find. So we have to plus 1 over here. So what is the answer? 1000909 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 9 0 0 0 1. Your answer is 1000910. See the third one. Question is 7039999. Okay, that is your question. We have to find successor. What we will do? Plus 1. So 7039999 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 10. Again 10. 9 plus 1 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 7. So answer is 7040000. Write down the predecessor of each of the following whole number. So question number 1, see, first one is there. Question is 10,000. Now predecessor means we have to do minus 1. First one is 10,000. In that we have to minus 1. Why? Because we have to find predecessor. So 10,000 minus 1. What is the answer? Here 10, 9, 9, 9, 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 9, 9 and 9. 9,999 is your answer. Now see the third one. 7005000. Again we have to minus 1 over here. So what we will do? 70500 minus 1. 10, 9, 9, 4. Okay, we'll stop here. Now 10 minus 9 is 9, 9, 9, 4, 0, 0, 7. The answer is 7004999. Now we'll see question number 9, which is, see the question number 9. Represent the following numbers on the number line. Now we know how to draw the number line. Just say, I had drawn here number line which of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 8 I had written. Now which number we have to represent here? 2, 0, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, first 2 is there. So on one number line only I am doing. See, 2 representing 2 over here, 0, so 0 here, 3, so 3 is also here only. 5, so mark the 5, 7, and so on. Okay, the same way we have to draw. If you want to draw a different number line for the different number, you can do it. That also is right. Now question number 10. How many whole numbers are there between 21 and 61? Now one option is that you have to write between, means we can write 21 and 61. Between this number we have to write. So till 22 to 60 we can write and count how many are there. And the another method is that we can find this whole number between this 21 and 61, that is that just minus 61 minus 21, which is 40. Okay, now whichever the number came, just minus 1 equal to 39. Okay, 39 is your answer. So how many whole number between 21 and 61 is just minus 61 minus 21 equal to 40, and whichever the answer comes, just minus 1 with that, and you got the answer, which is 39. Now question number 11. Fill in the blanks with appropriate symbol less than or greater than. Now we have to just put the symbol over here. Now 25 is greater or 205 is greater? Yes, 205 is greater. Now second one, 170 is greater or 107 is greater? 170 is greater because last number here 7. First is 1, then 7 and 0. So 7 is greater. So 170 is greater than 107. Here also first digit is 4 and here 5. So 5 is greater. So 415 is less than 514. Now see here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digit is greater. Here 5 and 6. So 1001 is greater than 100001. Now last one, 2, 3. Just count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both the 7. Now see the first digit. 2, 2, same. 3, 3, same. 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros, same. Here both the side. Here 1 is there and here 4 is there. So which one is greater? 4 is greater. So 230014 is less than 230041. Understood? Now we'll see question number 12. Arrange the following number in descending order. We have to arrange the following number in descending order. Descending order means greater to small. Now here which number is greater? We have to do this in descending order. First of all, we'll count the digit, which is here first is 3 digit. This is also 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. This is 3, 3, 3, 1 digit and 3. Okay, all these are 3 digit number. Now this 4 digit number we can write first because another 4 digit number is not there. So 1100 is greater. Now all are 3 digit number. Now we will see the first number, first digit, which is 971382. Now first here 9 is greater from all of them. So we'll write this number 925. After this one 8886. Now then is 786. After that 3 is greater. So 325. Then 270. Then 141. After that all 3 is over. Okay, now last is 0. So we have done in descending order. Now here question number 13. Write the largest number of 6 digit number and the smallest number of 7 digit number. Which one of these two is larger and by how much? Now largest 6 digit number. Which is the largest 6 digit number? question number 30. Largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number is 99999, right? 69 is there. And smallest 7-digit number is 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, this is the smallest 7-digit number, and this is greatest largest 6-digit number. Now we had asked that which one is larger. The smallest 7-digit number is larger than this 6-digit number, so we can write here 3 4 is greater than 999999. The smallest 7-digit number is greater than largest 6-digit number. Now another thing we had written, by how much. So how much we have to find? So difference we have to find. So what is the difference? 10000000 minus 999999. So answer is 1. If we minus this number, we got the answer 1. So by how much? At last what we have to write? The smallest 7-digit number is larger than largest 6-digit number by 1. Okay. Now we have question number 14. In that, what we have to find? Write down 3 consecutive whole number just preceding 851001. Now we have to find here 3 consecutive. Consecutive means continue number. Preceding means we have to do minus 1 in this. Okay, how we can do? Just see that. Question number 14. Now we have given, what we have given, this number 851001. In that we have to minus 1. So first answer is 851000. Another thing, we can take this number and minus 1. So what is the answer? 85099999. Okay, now another same number we have to take and minus 1. 85109998. This is continue number and preceding number. Why preceding? Because we had done minus 1 over here. And this is your answer: 851000, 850999, 85109998. Now see the question number 15th one. Write down the next 3 consecutive whole numbers starting from 40099998. We have to write next. Next means we have to plus 1 in this number. So how we can write? Question number 15. What we have given number? 40099998. Now here we have to find preceding. Preceding means before number, and here we have to find next. Next means after number. So we have to plus 1. So plus 1 equal to 40099998. Plus 1 is here is 9. Okay. Now same number we have to take 3 consecutive numbers. So 3 times we have to do. Plus 1. So equal to 401000. Same number we have to take again. Plus 1 equal to 40100001. Okay, this is the consecutive 3 number. Now, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Now we have to write. Every whole number has its successor. Every whole number has its successor. Plus 1, if we plus 1, successor means plus 1 we have to do. So every number, whole number have its successor? Yes. Means true. Every whole number has its predecessor. Every whole number has its predecessor? No. So that is false. Right? 0 does not have its predecessor. Minus 1 we have to do. So there 0 does not have. 0 is the smallest natural number. False. Which is the smallest natural number? 1. 1 is the smallest whole number. False. Smallest whole number is 0. Right? Now another one, fifth one. 0 is less than every natural number. 0 is less than every natural number. True. 0 is always less than every natural number. Between any two whole numbers, there is a whole number. False. Because if you take 1 and 2, between them 0.2, 0.3 numbers are there. Okay, they are not the whole number. Now, between any two non-consecutive whole number, there is a whole number. Between two non-consecutive whole numbers, there is a whole number. Yes, true. Now if you can see that smallest 5-digit number, answer is 10000. Okay, this is 5-digit number. Now what is the successor of the largest 4-digit number? Successor of largest 4-digit number. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4-digit number. If you plus it, answer is this one. Okay, this statement is saying that the smallest 5-digit number, this is the 5-digit number, is the successor of the largest 4-digit number. If you plus 1 in largest 4-digit number, the answer is smallest 5-digit number. That is true. Now another one, it is that of the given two natural number, the one having more digit is greater. Of the given two natural number, the one having more digit is greater. It is true. The predecessor of a 2-digit number cannot be single digit number. The predecessor of a 2-digit number cannot be single digit number. False. If you minus 1, it can be a single digit. Now if A and B are natural number and A less than B, then their natural number C such that A less than C less than B. It is false. If A and B are whole number and A is less than B, then A plus 1 less than B plus 1. It is true. The whole number 1 has 0 as predecessor. The whole number 1 has 0 as predecessor. True. The natural, if you minus 1 equal to 0, correct? The natural number 1 has no predecessor. True. Thank you for watching this video.